Let's make numbers with Play-Doh. First, we take yellow Play-Doh and make the number 1. Number 1. One sun. Number 2. We take green Play-Doh and make the number 2. Number 2. 1, 2 flowers. And the next one is 3. We take red Play-Doh and make the number 3. Number 3. 1, 2, 3 balls. And the next one is 4. Now we take blue Play-Doh and we'll make the number 4. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons. And let's continue with number 5. We take orange Play-Doh and we'll make the number 5. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 butterflies. And the next one is number 6. We take yellow Play-Doh and make the number 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strawberries. Well done, my friends. Let's continue. And now we have 7. We take green Play-Doh and make the number 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags. And do you know what number is this? It's a number 8. We take red Play-Doh and make the number 8. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 monkeys. Good job, friends! And now number 9. We take blue Play-Doh and make the number 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 apples. And the last one is number 10. We take orange Play-Doh and let's make the number 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent! Thank you, my friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!